It's an Indian. Alex, it's an Indian motorcycle. It's an Indian. Yeah.
But these are the ones that I restored.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. Oh, look at the wooden one.
That's how the one that we had in the shop looks. Just like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's 71.
This was purchased in Cape Cod.
Here's the one they restored. Right here.
What?
Very similar. The one Alex restored the BMW.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
So it just has a bucket seat on it. Come over. That's very similar.
Wow. Here's a Harley does. Hi, Danielle's Harley in here. Danielle's Harley could fit in here.
She don't want to. She's riding it.
She's got to go riding that thing. They're worth money. And the BMW too does. Yeah, Danielle, we need to put that in here. Look at this one. Look at that thing. What? It's stuffy and you needed something to drink. Oh, look at this Indian. Look at the Indian head on it.
I like the leather seat.
Yeah, that's cool. The tassels on it.
It's over 100 years old. Really? No, see that same setup with BMW. See how they old and they get the cars and insurance. Yeah, but you have to find them if they're running.
Alex, this traveled in 1998. It traveled Route 7 from Tacoma, Washington to Haverly Hill, Massachusetts.
I imagine it.
This one did. Look at a little tricycle.
Oh,
What?
a concrete piece of wood got in it.
Yeah.
It fell from a ceiling.
No, probably one of the cars when they brought it in. Oh, look at the Crown gas pump.
Yeah, I go right now.
Okay. Well, I'm going over here.